Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your Dopamine app to Bitget. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Dopamine mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, you need to tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. Here among the given options, you need to tap on centralized exchanges. Now over here you will be able to see all of the centralized exchanges with which you can connect your Dopamine application. You will notice that Bitget is one of them. So if you tap on Bitget, it will ask you to provide the Bitget API details, the secret key and the passphrase. So in order to get all these information, you just have to launch your Bitget mobile app. Then you just have to tap on this square icon in the top left hand corner, or instead of this square icon you can also see your profile picture. So you just have to tap on it, then tap on the option of more services. In the more services, you just have to scroll down in the bottom, and here in the tools you will be able to see the option of API keys. So simply need to tap on API keys, and here you need to tap on the option of create a new API key. Then it will ask you whether you want to generate it automatically or you want to do it with the user generated method. So you just have to select the first option, that is automatically generated. Then you will be landed on this page where you just have to give this API key a name. After giving it a name, you just have to provide the passphrase. So the API token, you just have to copy it as it is asked in the Dopamine application. Then you just have to select the bind IP address, but you can even leave it as it is optional. After that, in the permission settings, you just have to select each and every tab that you see over here except the withdraw button. Then you just have to tap on the confirm button. On the next page, you need to verify your email address and your Google Authenticator code. Then you need to tap on the confirm button. Afterwards, you just have to come back to this page where you will be able to see a API key. So you need to copy that API key, then come back to Dopamine, provide the API key in this section, the secret phrase and the paraphrase that we have created. After filling these details, you need to press the confirm button in the bottom. This way you will be able to connect your Dopamine app to Bitget. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.